everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now, today I'm going to share a wonderful snack recipe with potatoes. Now these are spicy garlic potato fries and we're going to do it two ways. So I'm very excited to be sharing it with you guys. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the spicy potato garlic fries, we're taking large potatoes. Just peel off the skin. We're going to cut them into cubes. Cut off the ends, cut the potato into half. We've cut the potatoes into equal size pieces. Make sure you put them in water so they don't change color. Now we're going to cook the potatoes. Take a pot, add enough water to cook the potatoes. Add a teaspoon of salt. Boil the potatoes till they are done. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to check if the potatoes are cooked. So you can see the potatoes are cooked. I'm going to turn off the stove and strain it immediately. Cool the potatoes completely. Let it come to room temperature. The potatoes have cooled down completely. Add about quarter cup of corn flour and coat the potato pieces. So this is a nice easy way to do it. So you can see the potatoes are coated beautifully with the corn flour. So now we are going to deep fry the potato pieces. Once the oil is hot, gently drop the potato pieces. Fry the potato pieces till they are nice golden in color. Remove them from the oil and keep it aside. So once the potatoes turn to a nice golden color, remove them and keep it aside. To add extra flavor to the potatoes, I'm going to deep fry some of these coriander leaves. You can see they become nice and crispy. We're going to use this as a garnish for the potatoes. So next I'm also adding some finely chopped garlic. So just turn off the stove. So just roast the garlic to get that flavors out. Remove the fried garlic from the oil and keep it aside. So now we're going to season the potatoes. To a nice white bowl, add the potatoes. So to season the potatoes, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of chilli powder. So if you have paprika powder, you can also use that. 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, some fried garlic and some fried coriander. So once you've tossed the potatoes with the masala mix, finally toss it one more time. Just make sure it's all well coated. So now the spicy garlic potatoes are nicely coated with the mix. Keep this aside. So now I'm going to make a cheese sauce and top the potatoes. To make the cheese sauce, to a small pan add quarter cup of milk. Next add 2 cheese slices. Next, season it with a pinch of salt, add a pinch of pepper, add a few chili flakes, add some Italian seasoning. Now if you don't have Italian seasoning, don't worry about it. You can also make the sauce without it. Mix everything nicely. To make the sauce more rich, I'm grating a cube of cheese. Mix everything together. If the cheese sauce becomes too thick, add a teaspoon or 2 of milk to dilute it a bit. The cheese sauce is done. Keep this aside. The spicy garlic fries are done. Now I'm going to top it off with the cheese sauce. So there you go. Here are these absolutely delicious spicy garlic potato fries, and if you like that nice spice, You can add an extra amount of chili powder to it, and for all those cheese lovers, make sure you top it with a lot of cheese sauce and enjoy. Do try this recipe and share it with your family and friends.